Each year in Australia, 5,000 people die from alcohol-related causes. 150,000 are hospitalised.
This heavy toll includes accidents, chronic disease and up to 11 alcohol-related cancers. This continues to put pressure on the whole health system. These are literally killer stats, but they don't measure the pain and suffering of getting to be one of those statistics. That's the burden that falls on individuals, families and communities, and ultimately the economy.
1 in 5 workers have taken a sickie due to alcohol. 2 in 5 admit to going to work while still feeling the effects. 1 in 5 have worked tipsy or drunk.
We may be losing some of the stigma around problem drinking. People are now self-reporting that they're going to work affected by alcohol. Think about the impact of being hungover or fatigued from too much alcohol or poor sleep the night before clocking on. They clock on physically and mentally affected, and this puts clients, workers and employers at risk. It puts pressure on other staff and creates stress and tension in the workplace, and that chews up valuable management and supervisor time.
Alcohol-related problems cost Australia $6 billion in productivity. That's 4.8% of GDP.
It's really surprising government treasurers aren't more concerned about this. When people are affected by alcohol, errors start creeping in. For example, in shift handovers, important information can be lost, or people can injure themselves in a range of activities on the worksite. It affects all industries in Australia, including aged care and community services, and that sector is already under pressure and has a high level of stress claims. Alcohol sickies really affect the quality of care.
1.57 million people work in the health and community services sector, working in 11,000 organisations providing community services.
People might think the alcohol impact affects other industries, but this sector is not immune. Yes, alcohol helps us celebrate our successes, but misused, it can affect our judgment in so many ways. When you provide alcohol in your workplace, you have responsibilities to your staff.
On average, Australians drink 9.99 litres of alcohol per head per year. A drop of 3.4 litres per head will see 5 million fewer working days lost.
These figures are about pure alcohol, not just 10 litres of Chardonnay. It's a huge amount. When it comes to alcohol, Australia has a strong thirst and plentiful and cheap supply. Workplaces can help lower this figure. The benefits would be tangible. It's time the aged care and community services sector took this issue seriously.
This workplace wellbeing video is a partnership between Aged and Community Services SANNT Incorporated, the South Australian Network of Drug and Alcohol Services, and the South Australian Council of Social Service. Production by Radio Adelaide.